Hello everyone. We are Project Team 2 and I'm Aarti and we are going to talk about our product City Guide. The main goal of our City Guide app is to provide the user with an up-to-date information about the places where they stay along with their contextual reviews and ratings. We also provide information to the user about the transportation information along with the schedules and bookings within the application, and we also provide assistance to emergency situation to the users, and we also help the user to overcome their language barriers by offering both online and offline modes of translations. Let's see how the vision transforms into a real problem solving. Here are the few unmet needs of the customers. First, the unavailability of contextual reviews. Our app City Guide provides the customer with the contextual based reviews and ratings, and this can be done based on the location based poll questions answered by the users. Next, the unavailability of emergency numbers and assistance. Our app City Guides helps the travelers or the newly moved in person in case of any emergency situation during their trip by helping the user to reach the emergency respondents within the application, and they can also make a call to the emergency respondents within the application, and this can be done both online and offline. Next, the unavailability of transport information. Our app CityGate provides the travelers a newly moved in person with information regarding the transportation information, and they can also compare the rides, fares, and they can also make the bookings within the application. And finally, unavailability of language translation. Our app CityGate helps the travelers or newly moved in person to overcome the language barriers by offering both online and offline modes of translation, and we also provide multi-language features that contains both local and foreign languages, and we also provide pre-populated situation-based questions within the applications. So get ready to explore about our City Guide apps in the coming slides. Over to Saili. Thank you.
So yeah, let's throw some light on customer segments. City Guide app can be used by each and everyone who loves traveling. The primary customer segments are the millennials, the tourists, the local residents, the migrants, and the business travelers. As the tourists and the millennials rely on reviews, forums, and comments to travel, City Guide will provide them with the most genuine reviews. Plus, the most visited tourist places to shop like the famous bazaars, best dining out places are an add-on. Local residents find the app useful for the information regarding major cultural events or any celebration going around the city. The City Guide app will be helpful to the migrants to get all the information right from the contact numbers to the transportation available in and around the city. Also, this app will be useful for the businessmen to get the exact information on the venue and the easiest possible way to reach them. To visualize the working of a product, my friend Mitali and I would like to take you through a small use case. Akanksha, who is a photographer by profession, loves traveling, and this weekend she plans to capture a comet shower in Greece. And for planning the trip, she uses a City Guide app, wherein she finds the best suitable flights with great discounts. She books a hotel nearby and a cab to pick her from the airport. She learns about the culture, weather, and other features of Greece through the contextual reviews available on the app. Also, she downloads the Greece dictionary and some phrases available on the app with all the emergency contact details. Within minutes, she was able to plan her trip through the City Guide app.
On reaching Greece, she finds a cab waiting to take her to a hotel. She likes talking to the locals, so she was able to do it through the offline regional dictionary available on the app. She got details about the local transportation, their routes, fares, and schedules through the app. She also found the cafes, local restaurants, grocery stores, and tourist places through the app. On the day when she went to capture the comets, she got stuck in a snowstorm there, and since there were no people around, she quickly looked through the City Guide app and found the emergency contact details, which were available offline, and she immediately contacted them. Help was sent soon enough, and she was taken to a safe place. She was able to communicate to the officials through the multilingual feature of the app. This is how City Guide app proves to be a real lifesaver in the times of emergencies. Sure, there are a lot of existing apps in the market like Trivago, Make My Trip, Expedia, etc. But none of these apps provide all these features together. For different features, the user has to browse through different apps, which is not very convenient. City Guide, however, provides all these information together at just a click, be it transportation services, their fares, routes, or information about local grocery stores, cafes, restaurants, etc. City Guide has reliable contextual reviews which helps the users to get to know about the ambience of the place. The app also provides an offline mode which helps to save important information like the emergency contact details, the nearest police stations, hospitals, regional dictionaries, and the maps of the places to be visited according to the information input on the offline mode. These features make our app one of its kind and a forerunner in the market. Now we have our friend Kanish to explain more about the potential market size.
Thank you, Mitali. Now I will be talking about the potential market size for our application. According to a survey by Statista, the global online travel market was worth more than $629 billion in 2017 and is predicted to reach almost $818 billion by the end of 2020. In the United States, the number of people preferring online hotel bookings was 88% rather than offline, which were at 12% in 2017. This shows a change in the way people plan their holidays and business trips. Now, considering the risks and dependencies for our product, since the market size is large, there is a potential risk of having similar products in the market. The mitigation step for this will be to deliver a successful product and bringing out new features regularly so that the customer's needs are fulfilled and do not feel the need to switch to different products. Second, during the time of a terrorist attack or pandemics, the tourism of that place faces a huge loss due to safety concerns. To help our customers in such situations, we would provide a feature where it would also have an emergency contact detail and shows the direction to the nearest hospitals, grocery stores, and police stations. Privacy and safety is one of the major concerns for any application. To ensure the privacy and safety of our customers, the application will have an end-to-end encryption to protect the user's data. The product would require internet to work, but while traveling, there are times when internet is not available, like in flights, underground trains, etc. To overcome this, the product will have a feature where it should be able to download all the information previously saved for that day when the internet is unavailable. The market size and the response is encouraging to move ahead with the product. It is a bridge between the unmet needs of the customers and the required solution. Thank you for listening.